How to fix TikTok features missing. Hello guys, first thing, open the settings, go to the wireless and networks, and then go to the airplane mode, enable it and wait 10 seconds exactly, and then disable it. After you do this, now you have to go back to the home page or the home screen of your phone and open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. After you open it, now you have to go into the search bar here in the top and search for TikTok like this. And after that, now you have to do one thing, is click on this option here. After you click on this option, you will get all the latest features. And that's it guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.